Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're in Chicago of all places. We are flying out to Mexico tomorrow morning. It's about noon 43. We are going to go grab some food. I still have to figure out where we are staying in Tulum. What else did we have to do, honey? Oh, get me some coffee, cause
yeah, she a boss. I get some coffee.
I'm sassy.
No, because coffee gives her energy.
Guys, can I tell you that?
And coffee makes her.
We took the train from Michigan, East Lansing, Michigan to Chicago. Are you okay, Wobble, Mr. Wobble? We took the train from East Lansing, Michigan to Chicago, and the Uber that picked us up asked us how our flight was.
Our flight from our train was amazing.
That's
that train.
the kind of day we were having. Our Uber driver picked us up from the train station and asked us how our flight was, I guess.
So where are we going actually?
We are going to Chicago Raw. Our hotel is literally right there, right behind us, Hotel Felix. And Chicago Raw is that little green sign. Nope. We were in town for work last week. Yes, I know, it's right there. No. We were in town last week for work. We were here for a few weeks, and I actually tried that place out for the first time. And it's fully raw, vegan, and it's really, really yummy. I was so surprised about. I love mustard. I love like really strong tastes like garlic and ginger and mustard, and they had a lot of really cool sauces to go with their food. So I really can't wait to show you guys this place. We are actually, don't tell Junior because he's shooting B-roll. I saw this place on Yelp, and it's like Vietnamese, and they have these little buns inside of these little wooden crates, and they have like a mushroom truffle one. If you guys have seen any of my other vlogs, you know I'm trying to be meat free. I was doing seafood, but I'm trying really hard to kick that. So in our Mexico vlogs, the next ones that are going to follow this one, hopefully I'll be able to have kept that. I love fish, and I love crab and lobster, octopus, calamari, you name it. So it's gonna be a little hard, but I think it'll be worth it. So here we are at Chicago Raw.
Hi there. How are you?
Hi, good. How are you?
Look at your little fluffy.
I know.
It's a speaker.
It's like a little squirrel tail for wind. It's amazing. Everything here is amazing. Hey, look, it matches my shirt. That's totally what I was going for. Did you know that? Spirulina grapefruit. Right here. Cross, cross. Ooh. So after I aspirated my shake, Junior said that my mouth and my lips look green. We're heading over to Indian. Junior wants Indian. I'm gonna pick a surprise place because it's something I've never had before.
But at least tell me what the surprise. Oh, what kind of food is it though?
Remember that one time that for our anniversary? So we still celebrate month anniversaries.
Which one?
So for one of our anniversaries in the summertime, we were in Texas or Phoenix, Arizona. What state was that in?
What?
Where we got Korean. We went to
California.
It was California?
Yeah.
We were in California, and there were some amazing, super authentic Korean places, and we literally went to a Korean place that when we called over the phone, they had great reviews on Yelp. I'm a big fan of Yelp. When we called over the phone, they didn't even speak English, and when we went, they had to give us like the only waitress who was a young girl who could actually speak English. And the food was just as amazing and authentic. So this is one of those places. That was what I was trying to explain.
Yeah.
that this is one of those places that seems super authentic and it's something you've never tried, so there's your hint.
Well, so it's similar to that place?
It's similar to that place. You've never had anything like it, and neither have I. But it looks delicious, and I found something that's vegan on the menu. So we good, and the reviews were great.
So, Mary said that my DNA test got in.
What?
My
No, it
DNA
didn't.
test. Well, not the results, but they received it, right?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So for Christmas, I gifted Junior and my mom and dad 23andMe genetic testing. We're all from Cuba, but Cuba is a nice variety of so many different backgrounds. So we kind of wanted, I told my parents that I wanted to have each of us guess like one of our top three. We can make it. One of our top three ethnicities. And then whoever gets the closest will get $20. What do you think about that?
20.
So I gifted him 23andMe, and he gifted me Ancestry and DNA, but I had also bought myself 23andMe because I was like, this sounds special. I'm about to do 23andMe. It's not just going to be a gift for them, it's going to be for me too. So now I sent in my results for both, so I can't wait to compare both of them. If any of you guys have done either of those genetic testing,
so if I'm never
let me know. Okay, so we are outside of the place that I chose because I thought it was cool and it's something I've ever tried before. We're right outside, and we already put our stuff inside, and I'm going to show you guys this place. So he ordered dessert.
I ordered dessert.
So I got all the bun action. I just noticed on the tea menu that there's a $70 tea. And so now we are on our way to grab some coffee and maybe tea. I'm not sure, whatever I'm feeling. I'm kind of tired. That train ride was exhausting. And we are going to choose what our hotel will be in Tulum. We're going to be in Playa del Carmen for the majority of the time. We already have an Airbnb, but I am going to collab with a few resorts in Tulum, and therefore I want to stay in Tulum, so it won't be that long of a commute. I think it's like an hour from Playa del Carmen to Tulum, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm going to check out the Airbnbs in Tulum, and that's what we're going to do at Restoration Hardware. That's where we're headed. It's absolutely beautiful cafe, and it's actually an interior design store where you can pick out furniture for your home. Can't wait to show you guys. And finally, the most beautiful cafe in the city, in my opinion, is right behind me. Restoration Hardware, interior design store, but has 3 Arts Cafe and is the bomb. Let me show you why. Bye.